Hello, students of class 5 of Gyan Niketan Girls School. Today, date 22nd October 20. Welcome to the 65th video session of your maths class. Today, our topic of discussion is conversion of a fraction into decimals. We may convert a given fraction into decimals by directly dividing the numerator by denominator or by multiplying the numerator and denominator by a common factor so that the denominator becomes either 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000 etc. Method 1. Division method. Let us take some examples to learn division method. Convert 7 by 4 into decimal or decimal fraction. Here on dividing 7 by 4, our quotient will be 1. So 4 1 ja 4. Subtracting 4 from 7, we will get 3. Now we will put the decimal point in the dividend and 1 0 and also the decimal point in the quotient and put it down the 0, then it will become 30. So 4 7 ja 28. Now subtracting 28 from 30, we will get 2. So we will put one more 0 in the dividend now and put it down, so it will become 20. So 4 5 ja 20. Now subtracting 20 from 20, we will get 0. So now on dividing 7 by 4, we will get 1.75 as quotient. That is, our decimal number is 1.75. Another example, convert 7 by 8 into decimals. Solution. Here the dividend is smaller than the divisor, so we will put the decimal point and 1 0 and then 8 will go 0 times, so 8 when we will go 0 times it will become here 0. So subtracting 0 from 7, we will get 7 and now we will put down the first 0 after the decimal point, so it will become 70 and we will also put the decimal point in the quotient. So now 8 8 ja 64. Now subtracting 64 from 70, we will get 6. So we will put another 0 in the dividend and put it down, so it will become 60. Now 8 7 ja 56. Now subtracting 56 from 60, we will get 4. So we will put another 0 in the dividend and put it down, so it will become 40. So 8 5 ja 40. Now 40 minus 40 is equal to 0. We will stop the division process. Therefore 7 by 8 can be written as 0.875. Next, by multiplication by common factor method. Let us take some example to understand this method. Convert 2 3 upon 8 into decimal fraction or decimal number. Solution. Given fraction is equal to 2 3 upon 8, which can be written as 19 upon 8. Now 19 into 125 upon 8 into 125, it will become 2375 upon 1000, because when 8 multiplied by 125 gives 1000. Now 1000 contains 3 0, so we will put the decimal point counting from the right side after 3 digits, that is 2.375. So 2 3 upon 8 can be written in decimal form as 2.375. Next example, convert 7 by 4 into decimal fraction or decimal number. Solution. 7 by 4 can be written as 7 into 25 upon 4 into 25, which will become 175 upon 100. Since 100 contains 2 0, so we'll put the decimal point after 2 digit from the right side, that is 1.75. Let us take another example, 9 upon 20 into, convert it into decimal fraction or decimal number. Solution. We have 9 upon 20 is equal to 20 into 9 plus 9 upon 20, that is 189 upon 20. So we will multiply 189 and 20 by 5 and 5. So it will become 945 upon 100. Now 100 contains 2 0. So counting from the right side, we will put the decimal point after 2 digit in the numerator, that is 9.45. So in this way we can easily convert a fraction into decimal number by applying these two methods. Okay girls, next in the next class. Thank you.